video. Today we have special buys of the day. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're at the Home Depot. We go to special offers, special buys of the day. Alright, we got the hours and minutes left. Obviously this is in the morning. So you got M18 Lithium Cordless driver, $199 plus a battery. So this is, I believe this is on the store. Some of these deals are on the store, some of them are not. You got the 3-tool combo kit for $199, and they are octane. You got the drill driver, impact driver, fuel with 2 batteries and an angle grinder for $349. That's a good deal there. I believe that's let me check if that's the fuel. Doesn't look like the fuel. It looks like the regular one. You got the same deal, but with the oscillating tool for $349, so same thing. And then the deal with the hacksaw, or the reciprocating, or one had the reciprocating saw, and then the circular saw here. All right, you got the Ryobi 18 volt 11 piece combo kit with 3 batteries, 6. So 11 tools for $649. I think it's a little pricey. Personally, I would go for something like this. I think you're getting more value for your money. Or something like this, something that's brushless. Definitely something like this. So because most of these are old brush tools, there's some really good ones in here, just to let you know. This nailer, it's a good one. The jigsaw's a good one. You got the port charger there. Still a lot of money though for Ryobi. That's a lot of money. You got the brushless 3-tool combo kit with 1 4-amp hour and maybe 1 2-amp hour. You got the angle grinder, reciprocating saw, and impact driver bag. And for brushless tools, I think it's an okay deal. You got the 3-tool combo kit. I believe these are not brushless. These are old brush tools, so $149. Still a great deal for the DIY. You got the impact wrench power inflator kit, $99. I just did a video for this. I believe I just did this video for this impact driver last week, so be sure to check it out on my channel. It's recently done there. It's a nice tool. You got the brushless 4-tool combo kit with 2-amp hour battery for $299. It's a good deal. Well, not a good deal, but it's an okay deal. You got the brushless cordless 4-tool combo kit at $249. Yeah, some of these deals are not. I believe the Milwaukee deals are the better ones. Well, this one's a good one here. You got the 3/8 impact wrench, and then you got the 3/8 ratchet for $129. If you're on the Ryobi platform, we did a video review on this thing. It's an okay. The only problem with this one is the batteries. It's in the way all the time, and it's big, and it's not. Got the 3-tool combo kit for $199. Then you got the Lithium brushless cordless impact drivers with the oscillating tool and the battery for $269. These are brushed tools. They're not brushless. Well, actually, they are. My bad. It's brushless tools. All right, so it says here too. You got brushless cordless combo kit, $679. It's a fuel right there, so that's top of the line right there. You got 2 impact drivers, I guess, or impact wrenches. 1/2 inch is the other one smaller. Just gonna check real quick. One's a 3/8 and one's a 1/2 inch impact wrench. One night, or actually, check. Yeah, $109. And then we got, sold out. So I guess that's it. Is that it? Power tools up to 60%. $54 for this one. This one you got, oh wow, These are ridiculous. Well, not ridiculous prices, but you know they're higher price. You got the 129 for the impact wrench. These are not deals. I don't think these are deals. The ones that are deals are probably this. Yeah, 199 with the brushless 4-in-1 installation driver, and then you get the free oscillating tool. 199. Yeah, this is not a bad deal. You're basically this by itself is this is a really good deal. Check it out. The screw gun, yeah, it's sold out. Got the right angle there for 109. I think the better deal is probably this installation driver. And let me check out. This is a good deal. The brushless tool deals, not the best, but you know they're good deals. See, like this one, I would rather pay the $679 for something like this. You're getting brushless, top of the line brushless tools, and you're not getting the fuel. I believe all of these are not fuel. You're getting fuel, so they're the older ones. Or actually this one. Yeah, they're all fuel tools. Except for this one. I don't see fuel on this one. So they're all fuel tools. That's a good thing. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.